2 hours later, still wet. Oh, god damn. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Olivia and today I'm gonna be telling you all the things I wish I knew before I get myself into this journey of blonde, platinum, curly hair. This is a condense of everything that I think you should know before you bleach your hair. I have been part of the blonde team for about 2 months already. Let's just say that if you don't want to lose your hair, make sure that you do it on virgin hair, because if your hair has been over processed, you've been through like so many different colors, so many chemicals, a lot of heat, trust me, you have about 50% chance of losing your hair when you apply the bleach on your hair. If at least your hair was processed, make sure that you deep condition your hair a lot. It's gonna be a very aggressive process and you want to make sure that your hair is strong enough to take that impact. Pretty much what happens to your hair when you bleach it? Let me tell you, I'm not an expert at this, so I'm going to Google it. So bleach breaks into your hair shaft and reacts with the pigment molecule, basically destroying them, so you're left with light hair. So you know that there's pigmentation in your hair, which is why our hair tends to be dark. Bleach has to break down the natural fatty acids on your hair shafts, which is what can leave your hair brittle. To make sure that my hair is not too brittle, I should definitely 100% avoid any product that has any bad alcohol in it. You need to know what are the bad alcohols, so you can already start getting rid of some products in your shelf, for instance. Which brings me to my next point. You need to change your routine. So if I knew it, I would have used I would have made sure to use all my shampoos to finish, you know, my conditioners and all this stuff. Conditioners are not that big of a deal, but at least my shampoo, because now I have a whole bottle of shampoo sitting on my shelf that I don't even know when I'm going to use it. Certainly not soon, because I don't want my hair to turn orange. Therefore, I switched to purple shampoo, which I'm gonna get into later. Understanding the process behind bleaching your hair or lightening your hair is important to give you kind of like a sense of compassion. You know, you need to empathize with your hair. You're not doing this on a week. This is your hair, so you need to empathize. Therefore, you need to understand that in order to go that light, you have to space out all your sessions. If your hair is really dark, meaning that your hair is that black, like mine at the roots, you will hear most definitely from your hairstylist or your hairdresser that they can't just bleach your hair and make you like turn you platinum on the spot. If your hairdresser tells you that he can, you know, get you platinum on the spot, trust me, I would, especially if you know that your hair was processed before chemically with heat, or you know, I will definitely think about it twice. I would not recommend, because your hair gets freaking dry. Therefore, if I could go back, and if I even had any control over this, because I didn't go to the hair salon to get platinum, I'm gonna tell you, like, if you want to know the story of how my hair turned like this is pretty much me in one sitting. My hair was black, and in one sitting that guy got me platinum. And originally I wanted to be honey blonde. Does this look honey blonde? This looks nowhere near what I wanted. From experience, I would say this is too much. It's a lot for your hair. Unless you don't mind losing your hair and you're willing to take the risk, that's on you. Depending on your hairstylist, they will let you know that, okay, I can get you this lighter today, and then maybe he can like lift your hair I don't know, one shade, and then you come back 2 weeks after, another shade. With time, let's say within the next month or 2, you will finally reach your desired platinum color. This is the new shampoo that I got. It's Shimmer Lights by Clairol, and I love it. I've had it for a while. I dyed my hair in the past and I purchased this. It's a nice toner to your hair. Deep conditioning doesn't change that much, but what I use is I just use, you know, that deep conditioner by Aussie. I think it's easy. 3-minute miracle. I don't have time, so this is perfect for me. I like that. Fix my hair, that's a mask that I use for intensive repair conditioning mask. I love it from Keys, and I've been using it even when my hair was black. So as long as it says damaged, intensive repair, dry, extra dry, thirsty, chemically processed, or heat styled hair, I use it. So that's my Shea Moisture. This is not the ultimate best quality product because it seems like this particularly has so much fragrance added to it. I've been using this for a while, so I guess I'm just a loyal customer. Your hair takes forever to dry, guys, because your hair was chemically processed. Of course, your hair is brittle. It takes forever. Let's actually Google it together. Why is my bleach hair taking forever to dry? If hair has been bleached for an extended period of time, it's most likely damaged or dry. Bam! My hair is damaged. My hair is not that damaged, it's just really dry. So damaged or dry hair is almost always porous, which means that it holds onto water way more than healthy hair. Therefore, bleach hair is going to take way longer to dry compared to natural virgin hair. It's been, wait, what time is it? Guys, I think it was 2 o'clock, or no, I'm lying. It was 1:50 when I started drying my hair. It's 2:57. So another point, you'll have to put a cross on certain colors, certain makeup, because you are a total new person. Especially if your hair was bleached and you still have some kind of like yellow spots here and there that you couldn't get rid of. Again, that's not the color that I was going for. This was an accident, guys. I didn't want to go for this color, which I think is not that great, but luckily people have been super nice, told me that they love it, so I'm like, thank God. People like it. I'm fine. I think I can rock this without waking up in the morning and crying over my beautiful virgin black hair. But anyway, you can't wear yellow anymore. You can't wear beige that much. You can wear a certain type of beige, not all the beige, but you can't wear yellow, you can't wear orange. Otherwise, it makes those orange colors or those like yellow spots, you know, kind of like, look at me, warning. Like everyone sees that your hair is orange or yellow from far away. In terms of makeup, foundation, I'm darker than my hair. So, and think of this color right here on my hair. So when my hair was still blonde at the root especially, and I will try to like apply foundation all around my edges, it was crazy. I would have some foundation on my hair, and to remove it, it's such a pain. It's easier to remove foundation on dark hair, on black hair, because you can just take a wipe and makeup wipe and remove it. But it doesn't work the same on bleached hair, on like white hair. If you put foundation on your bleached white hair, well, it's over. Another thing is, I'm not comfortable wearing like super flashy colors anymore. I feel like gold colors, light makeup really does the job in terms of dressing up, like in terms of like coming up with like a nice look that is not too aggressive. Because platinum hair is already aggressive, you know. I don't want to do too much, so just adding up like a ton of makeup and, you know, super dark eyeshadows or like dark lipstick or even red lipstick, I feel like I look like a clown. So now I just have to be natural, and as natural as I can. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love makeup. I can't get out of my house without foundation on my face or like a little bit of eyeshadow or mascara. I have to do it. So yeah, which brings me to my next point. You can't do your eyebrows anymore. I mean, I'm not like, I used to use like a super dark pomade for my eyebrows, being super concentrated, and I would really shape my eyebrows, but it was just too much. So I just stopped doing my eyebrows, which is a good thing. I would just brush them up in the morning, remove the excess foundation, and just rock my eyebrows completely fresh and natural. One thing also is that you have to do your roots. I am perfectly fine with my roots. Looking back, that's actually ideal for me. I would prefer having my roots dark to match with my eyebrows rather than looking like, I don't know, like an egg. I feel like I was looking like an egg. It's so weird. You have to do your roots every 2 months, I'd say. I don't know, every month, every 2 months. You have to be aware of that. That's an investment. It's more money that you'd spend on top of hair products. So yeah, just know that. On a good note, if you like hair paint wax, I'm talking about temporary colors, you will love having light hair because colors look amazing. It gives us that kind of like neon vibe. You know, I really love it. I'm having so much fun. I'm about to test blue also, so I'm just having fun with my hair. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I said blue and my cat came. He's my gorgeous boy. Oh, you. You cannot straighten your hair anymore. Ha! Yes! I didn't know that. I didn't think of that. Not that I was straightening my hair that much. If I already chemically damaged my hair, I don't want to apply heat on top of that. Unless you don't mind ending up bald or like losing everything, or unless you're planning on shaving your hair anyway, I would say stay away from heat. I'm guilty. I cannot tell you that all the, you know, advices that I'm throwing out here in this video are, you know, 100% followed, because again, those are based on my mistakes. I have straightened my hair knowing that it was already chemically damaged. I straightened my hair. Not a good idea because I could definitely see all the different colors in my hair, and it was smelling burned. It was looking not that great, you know. I don't know, at first I was excited, but then I was like, no, that's definitely not a vibe. It's a bold move, you know. I don't regret lightening my hair. I have been thinking about bleaching my hair for so long. I really wanted to be platinum, but I never got the guts, and I'm actually happy. It's crazy that I'm saying that the hairdresser messed up my hair, because I would have never have the courage to intentionally go that light. It's cool, it's a fun experience, it's worth a try, and I think everyone admires people who have the gut to do bold moves, especially here in America. I feel like people encourage this a lot. In New York City particularly, when you're really being yourself and you're not scared to you know, get out of your comfort zone or try something new. You're young, you're alive, you are, I don't know, whatever you are, you only have one head, one hair. So bleach it. Bleach the hair, guys. Bleach your hair. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so just do it. And whatever you want to do, it doesn't have to be hair. I don't know, I feel like in life, you don't have many lives. Live your best life. On that note, don't take ridiculous risk either. If you want to bleach your hair, talk to a professional, go for a consultation, at least ask questions there, and then based on their advices, do what you have to do. If you want to book an appointment with them, go ahead. If you want to do it yourself, at least make sure to get all the information based on your hair type and the hair in your hair situation, processed or not processed. Thank you so much for staying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, please. Hey, hello, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel, share with all your friends and family, and yeah, I will see you in my next one before I break everything.